Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to disable email notifications on Instagram. If you're tired of receiving countless emails from Instagram, follow these simple steps to take back control of your notifications. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen to access the settings menu. From there, tap on Notifications to manage your notification preferences. Scroll down until you see the option for email notifications and tap on it. Here, you will see a list of different types of email notifications that Instagram sends out. To disable a specific notification, simply tap on the toggle switch next to the notification you want to turn off. Once the switch is turned off, you will no longer receive email notifications for that particular update. You can customize your email notification settings to fit your preferences by simply turning on or off the notifications that you want to receive. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to disable email notifications on Instagram. Take control of your inbox and enjoy a more streamlined Instagram experience. Thank you for watching.